Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain on the Honda Grom, specifically one with a stretch kit on it. As you can see, mine is stretched. It does have the kit right on there. This is going to be the Mojo Custom Stretch Kit. It's been great so far, haven't really had any issues or anything. They make it real simple to adjust your chain with it on there. You're just going to need some basic tools here. This is just a couple of sockets. I believe it's a 19, a 15, and a 14, an Allen key, and to the right is the key to adjust it on your stretch. Basically, the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this slider. We have to take this off so we're able to get to the axle nut. Once we get to the axle nut, we'll be able to loosen it up. And after that, we're basically just going to loosen up this Allen key here. Once we do that, we're able to adjust it. As you can see the little line here, you can put the tool there to adjust the, your chain, make it tighter or lighter, you know, whatever you need to do to get the chain adjustment right on your Honda Grom. As you can see, my chain is a little bit loose, very loose, too loose for my liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it a little bit, and let's go ahead and get started. So again, first thing we're gonna do, take the slider off. It's going to be a 15-inch socket. Take the slider off. So basically the only issue that you're going to run into if you do have the sliders, it's going to be a little bit of a pain to get this in here to try to adjust it, because it's obviously in the way. So what I do is undo the other side and try to push it out a little bit. Not all the way obviously, just enough so you can get the key in here and adjust it. Once you get the key in, you'll be able to adjust your chain to your liking. Just got to keep in mind there's little lines on here. I'm pretty sure you can't see it right now, but you'll be able to see it on your own if you're doing this at home. And you're basically going to make sure that these lines are the same on both sides to make sure that your axle is straight.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Alright, so I went ahead and tightened the chain. Everything should be good to go. Just be careful if you do have these sliders. Once you tighten them up, you got to be very, very careful, because this is plastic here and they tend to strip very easily. So what I usually do is just tighten it up as best as I could with my hand and just give it a little bit of force on it so it can go ahead and pretty much snug them up. You don't really want to overkill it, because you will strip that little plastic piece inside there and you won't be able to get it back off. Just a little bit, good to go. Same on the other side. And that's pretty much it. Should be all set, ready to go. You can go ahead, I've already cleaned my chain, but if you have your motorcycle up like this, you might as well clean your chain if you haven't done so. It's good to do it while it's up in the air like that. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and put them in the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching. it.